In this video, we will learn to show to you how to install Khmer Unicode on Windows. So double click on the Khmer Unicode. Okay, wait for a few minutes. Okay, click need, and click finish. Okay, now go to the language reference option. Okay, click the Catalan remove on the language that you don't want to use. I need to use US national, US I remove, and also click Khmer and click option to check to make sure that don't have another key language. Okay, and then try to type 4 key Khmer Unicode language. Now I open the browser to type another language such as English and Unicode, and to make sure that it works or not. So now I refresh again. Yes, try Google. Okay, and then okay, this is I have internet already. Right? This is the language. Yeah, but sometimes if you not so, yes, you should restart your PC first. Yes, it will be automatically recognized. Okay, this is the Khmer language, right? English is the Khmer language. Okay, and okay, you should to restart your PC. Yes, to see the option the language prevalent. Yes. Okay. That's all for me. Thank you very much.